Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably excited about managing your crypto investments, and today, we're tackling something super straightforward: transferring Solana from Robinhood to Kucoin in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will walk you through the latest steps to make sure you're doing it safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, before we start, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Kucoin. You'll also need some Solana in your Robinhood wallet and a secure way to access your Kucoin account. Think two-factor authentication for extra security. Got that? Great. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to your portfolio, find your Solana holdings, and select the option to withdraw or transfer out. Robinhood might ask you to verify your identity again, so be prepared for that. Next, you'll need your Kucoin wallet address. Open the Kucoin app or site, go to your wallet section, and copy the Solana address. Pro tip: double-check this address because one wrong character could send your Solana into the void. Now, back on Robinhood, paste that Kucoin address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Remember to account for any network fees, which in 2025 might be around 0.0005 Sol or more, depending on blockchain congestion. Hit confirm, and you'll get a final verification prompt. Once that's done, the transfer should process on the Solana blockchain. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, but keep an eye on it. Head back to Kucoin and refresh your wallet to see your Solana arrive. A quick word of caution: always transfer a small test amount first to ensure everything works. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay vigilant against scams. And hey, by 2025, there might be new regulations or platform updates, so double-check the official apps for any changes. There you have it. That's how you transfer Solana from Robinhood to Kucoin. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.